acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind. Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of old lang syne, old lang syne, my dear, old.
Happy New Year's from the Memphis Red Bulls. Looking forward to seeing you in April.
We'll raise a cup of kindness here for